Melissa, there's been some changes in what we call the transfer taxes here in Rhode Island. Can you explain, first off, what is the document stamps, aka transfer stamps tax, and then what these changes are and what it's costing and who it's costing?
Absolutely, Emilio. It is a hot topic, and transfer taxes, conveyance taxes, stamps, they have a lot of different names. Essentially, what it is a sales tax. So in Rhode Island, it's borne by the seller. It used to look like a stamp. So I actually have some really old, cool deeds, and you'd see that they were, 10 cents or 30 cent denominations. And over the years, they've gone up pretty substantially. Most recently was about 6 or so years ago. And we've been at this $4.60 per thousand, or said differently, $2.30 per 500. So that is what a seller pays as the tax stamps or conveyance tax, is a percentage of their sales price, $4.60 of the gross sales price. It's nothing to do with what you walk away with. And all of that money is paid to the state. There is a very small portion. It's remitted at the time of the deed being recorded at the town level. A portion of the money is retained by the town for various uses, and most of it goes to the state for all different benefits and programs. So it's, kind of your civic duty as part of making your sale. And what's interesting to me, Emilio, is that most jurisdictions around us, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, it's all a seller-borne cost. But in other jurisdictions, the buyers can pay the tax stamps. And most close by in New Hampshire, buyers and sellers split the tax stamps. And of course, as you know, New Hampshire doesn't have income taxes in their state. So you see more of an emphasis on real estate taxes and the burden of tax stamps. They're actually $15 per thousand last time I looked it up.
Wow.
Pretty staggering. Certain types of transactions, if it's a bank-owned transaction, a short sale potentially, or a foreclosure, there may be an occasion, if it's not an exempt transfer, that the buyer would be responsible to pay it. But that is something that a buyer could offer to pay, perhaps to make an offer more negotiable or a little stronger.
So they're $4.60 per 1,000. Okay.
Yeah.
But now there's a change in the cost for certain consumers. Can you explain that?
Yes. So what's happened is, effective January 1st, the state imposed that the real estate tax, conveyance tax, is going to be charged in essentially 2 tiers. So up to an $800,000 sale, you're still facing the $4.60 per thousand. However, if the sales price is in excess of $800,000, there's going to be a second layer of the tax. So for example, if you had a $900,000 sales price, you would take the full $900,000 times the $4.60 per thousand, which is what you would have done in 2021. That would have been $4,140. But now the second layer gets applied, which is the same $4.60 on the overage between $800,000 and whatever the actual sales price is. In our example, it's $100,000, which means it's an additional $460 that the seller is absorbing today that they wouldn't have absorbed a month ago, because that's what the differential is as of 2022.